Create with your imagination. The ability to create positive or negative images in the mind is what is ultimately known as imagination. To achieve and to construct the self you want, use your imagination. So, imagination is a very important faculty. You can navigate a variety of circumstances by using your imagination. You can use it, for instance, to assist in problem solving or to help you unleash your creativity for a project. It is also enjoyable when you can utilize your imagination with your friends and/or family. Even taking a brief mental vacation can help you unwind in the midst of life's daily difficulties. Imagining creating something pleasant is more enjoyable than imagining negative future events. People have irrational imaginations that they utilize to create awful stories in their thoughts and always see the worst-case scenario. This is what makes people anxious. What if there was a method to apply the same creativity through positive imagination? Did you know that you can teach your brain to focus on certain topics? By asking your brain thoughtful questions, you may teach it to think more effectively. Where can I use creativity today? What do I enjoy doing? Can I learn anything today? You can set new objectives and aim for new heights by treating your mind like a blank piece of paper. A blank page offers you a crucial roadmap that encourages and inspires self-motivation. Your blank page is always changeable. You can use the imagination that God has given you to design the life you want. You have the power to start over. Nobody else's choice should affect yours. Your imagination can be used to eliminate any unfavorable emotions, feelings, or opinions. Being creative inspires us to live more deliberately and in harmony with our entire lives. Additionally, it soothes our nervous system, lessens anxiety and supports us in establishing and maintaining balance. All it takes is a little training and awareness to new ideas and keep focused on the present. A great way to learn how to be focused in the present moment is through meditation. If you want to learn more about meditation, you can visit the link below in the description.